Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you had a great weekend. So today I started out by moving this smoke detector base, which I put in this room a couple days ago. I'm sad because I had to custom cut this tile, so that went to waste. But anyways, it had to be moved because plans changed, and I'll just leave it at that. So I went ahead and took out that smoke detector base, grabbed a new 4-square tile, or a 2x2 tile, and then remounted the smoke base, rewired it up. And then from there, I went ahead and added in a couple TRI boxes. So I had to grab some supplies, some boxes, bushings, some 16-2 firewire, and I T-tapped off of the closest fire or smoke base. So I went ahead and just hit this one in the hallway right here. So I basically just pulled out the wire, pigtailed them out, 3 wires down to 1, because you can only lay in 2 wires on the smoke bases. So I did that one, and I T-tapped this one as well for another door TRI, and hit this smoke base in this exam room. So I went ahead and got those 2 done. And then after that, I went ahead and got a call to go up into the operating room again and change out another smoke base. So I called the hospital system to go into walk test, which is basically just a safety mode where you don't set off the fire alarm and evacuate the building. So they changed out the ceiling tiles from the perforated old nasty things to these new, I don't know what they call them, but it's a thicker and it has like a plastic kind of layering on it. So changed that out, put it back together, and you got to put on the bunny suit once again in the operating rooms. There's a bunch of doctors chilling in there. I felt out of place. Anyways, I looked good, so that's all that matters. And then to end out the day, went ahead and put in these 4 receptacles right here, wired these up to the lollipops, put in the receptacles, and then mounted them and put on the plates. And if you remember, this is where I wired these up a really long time ago. That looked nice. It's on my Instagram page with the nice big loops. Anyways, that's going to wrap up this day and this video. Do the giveaway video here soon, hopefully tonight. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe if you did. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.